Hello friends, what is the best method to solve this exponential problem? And we have here is 2 raised to the power x divided by 3, and that is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 divided by x. Then we'll have to find the value of x. Now if you look at, we have exponential of 2, and here in the right hand side we have 3. So the best method for solution of this type of problem, we take log both sides. We'll take log on both sides. If we'll take log on left hand side, we'll get log 2, that x divided by 3, that is equal to, in the right hand side we will have log 3 and 2 divided by x, and we know the formula of log m with base n. The formula of it is, we take m in the front, so we write m log with base n. So here also we will take this x by 3 in the front, so it will be x divided by 3, and the remaining part here is log 2. Likewise, in the right hand side in front we will take 2 divided by x, so we have log 3. Now in the next step we'll eliminate this log 2 in the left hand side. For that we'll divide both sides by log 2. Look at here, it is x by 3 and we have log 2. Now we will divide it by log 2 equal to, in the right hand side we have 2 divided by x and log 3. So here left hand side we have divided by log 2. So in the right hand side we will also divide by log 2. So here log 2 and log 2 gets eliminated, and in the left hand side we can write x divided by 3, that's equal to, in the right hand side we have 2 by x multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2, log 2. Now for simplifications we will cross multiply, so it is x square, we can write x square divided by, here 3 and 2 multiplication is 6, and in the right hand side we have log 3 divided by log 2. Now we'll write it here. Now in the next step we'll keep this x square in the left hand side, so we can write x square, that is equal to, now we'll cross multiply by 6, so it is 6 times, and log 3 by log 2 we can write log m, that is in the form of log n, and we can write it as, we'll write it as base, so we can write log m with base n. So here denominator is 2, so the base will be 2, so we can write times log 3 with base 2. Now in the next step, for solution of this logarithm formula, we have 6 in front. Now we'll take this 6 and we'll write it as power or exponent according to this formula. Here the m, the front value we have taken as the power, so here 6 will take as the power of 3. Now look at here, we can write x square is equal to log 3 with base 2, and we'll powered by 6, so we'll powered by 6. Now we can write x square is equal to log 2, and the value of 3 raised to the power 6, 3 raised to the power 6 is 729, so we can write it as 729. Now from here we can take out the value of x, so we have square here. Now for eliminating the square, the value of x will be plus minus under root the whole value of right hand side, that is log 729 with base 2. Now we have calculated the value of x. This is one type of answer. Now we can put the value of this term. So if we'll calculate the value, this value will be approximately, plus minus we have 3.0838. This is the value of x. So here we have calculated two values in term of log, and it is in term of number value. So friend, how my video is? Give your comment in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.